Hey everyone, if you're tired of spreadsheets and manual tracking, the Copilot Money app is here to revolutionize how you manage your finances. It's a user-friendly tool designed to help you budget, track expenses, and achieve your financial goals with ease. In this video, I'll guide you through the basics step by step, so you can get started right away. First, download the app. Head to your device's App Store, whether it's Google Play for Android or the App Store for iOS. Search for Copilot Money and hit install. It's free and quick. Once it's downloaded, open the app and create an account. You'll need to enter your email, set a secure password, and verify your details. This sets up your personalized dashboard. Next, let's set up your budget. The app makes this simple. Tap on the Budget tab, add your monthly income, and categorize your expenses like groceries, utilities, or entertainment. You can allocate specific amounts to each category to stay on top of your spending. This feature helps prevent overspending and keeps you accountable. Now, tracking expenses is where the app really shines. You can manually enter transactions by tapping the plus button and adding details like amount, category, and date. Or, for convenience, link your bank accounts so transactions import automatically. The app even suggests categories based on your purchases, saving you time. One of the coolest features is the Insights section. It provides visual reports, like pie charts and spending trends, so you can see where your money is going and identify areas to cut back. Plus, set up alerts for when you're nearing your budget limits. That's a game changer for staying financially healthy. Finally, use the Goals feature to plan for the future. Whether it's saving for a vacation or paying off debt, input your target amount and timeline, and the app will track your progress with motivating updates. There you have it. Using the Copilot Money app is straightforward and empowering. Give it a try today and take control of your finances like never before. If you have questions, drop them in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips. Thanks for watching.